Welcome to our channel. ERD is an industrial electronic repair company that provides an industry-leading 3-year warranty. We don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. The TDK-Lambda EMS 4025-2 is a rack-mount variable DC power supply that has a maximum output of 40 volts DC at 25 amps total current. This power supply is mounted within a semiconductor tool and used for variable DC control in the process. This power supply came to ERD completely dead, and after a complete and full rebuild, we were able to bring it back to original specification as shown in the video. At ERD, we always load variable DC power supplies at multiple outputs and multiple current loads to ensure the power supply is fully capable out in the field. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more repair videos.